cousin to onion and sister to shallot. Garlic is a small but mighty ingredient that's been linked to weight loss, and its health benefits far outweigh the risk of bad breath. Garlic may offer several health benefits when incorporated into healthy and balanced diet. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Saubhagya. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and do not forget to share this video with your friends so that even they can benefit out of it. Please also press the bell icon so that you are the first person to get all the updates on my latest videos on weight loss and transformation. Friends, there is no shortcut to losing weight quickly. Having the right diet and following the intense workout session is the only way to lose weight in an effective manner. But you all might agree that there is no harm in trying things that can accelerate your weight loss process. And if you are on a weight loss journey, chances are that you might be looking for some hack in the book for it. If yes, then try garlic. Garlic is a common ingredient used in all Indian dishes. It gives a distinct flavor to the curries and is known for its potent medicinal properties. This super herb helps to boost the immunity, relax blood vessels, and reduces the risk of heart disease. Friends, do you know the nutrition value of garlic? If not, check it out. Garlic is loaded with vitamin B6, vitamin C, fiber, manganese, calcium, iron up to 22%. It has a good proportion of macros, which is fat, carbohydrates and protein. So are you wondering how garlic can help you in lose weight? So here is what I have got for you. It is true, garlic has numerous proven health benefits, but various studies suggest that garlic can be used when trying to lose weight. It all depends on the way you consume it. The way garlic is prepared and processed can change its health benefits. Garlic is known to boost the energy level. It helps to burn calories and maintain healthy body weight. This herb is an appetite suppressant, which means it helps to suppress your hunger, which is a very big thing, meaning you will not overeat, and because of that you will be able to control on the calories that you are intaking. So your calorie intake will not be more than what you need in a day, which means you're not overeating, and because of that you're not gaining any weight, which will lead to weight loss. So as your body will not be loaded with unnecessary food which it cannot digest and which eventually would have gone and deposited in our body as fat, which eventually would have stored in our body as body fat. So this will prevent you from overeating and gaining more and more weight. Garlic helps to keep you fuller for a long period of time. Also prevents you from overeating. Now you know how? Yeah. A study suggests that garlic can stimulate the fat burning process. This common herb is also an detoxifying agent and keeps your digestive system in check. I'll tell you how you can reap the maximum benefit out of garlic. Garlic is packed with an enzyme called alliinase, which can convert into allicin. The special quality of allicin works only under certain conditions and can be deactivated if exposed to excessive heat. Okay, now this is getting really technical, but friends, I'm trying to explain you the real scientific reason behind how this garlic can help you in lose weight. So it's okay if you do not understand those scientific terms, but as far as you know that consuming it in your day-to-day life can burn that fat and can accelerate your digestive system, then that's all you need. Garlic is responsible for boosting energy level that burn all the calories. It is known to boost your metabolism, further helping you lose weight efficiently. Garlic supports a balanced blood sugar and a healthy metabolism. Studies have also shown that eating garlic can increase the number of calories burned throughout the day, decreasing the production of oil, decreasing the body's production of fat. There is an association between garlic and fat burning. Compounds in it are known to stimulate the fat burning process. While we all use it as a food ingredient, it is also an effective medicine to help burn the belly fat, and detoxification. Garlic is effective in weight loss and is an inevitable part of a balanced diet. There are many other health benefits of eating garlic, out of which the very big one is it lowers the blood pressure. Shows that the allicin, a compound produced when garlic is finely chopped or crushed, may lower blood pressure, especially in those who have already high blood pressure. Lower blood pressure means a healthier heart and healthy you. Second biggest benefit is it reduces the blood sugar. Garlic may help naturally lower the blood sugar. So friends, see how important garlic is in our diet? Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you got all the important details and information about garlic. And if you still have any questions, please do not hesitate to write that in the comment section and I will definitely reply to it. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you are the first person to get all the updates on my weight loss journey, transformation, workout videos, routines. Alright friends, remember, you can make a difference. This is Saubhagya. Bye.